Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about global keyword. So what is global keyword? So basically global variable allows you to modify the value of an variable that is outside of the current scope. So what I mean by current scope and like what is a variable that is outside of the current scope, let me just show you by coding. Now let's suppose you have declared a function. Okay, you have declared a function. Now let's suppose you have declared a function and this is the scope of this function, and in this function you have created a variable a. Okay, now in this function you have declared another function which has this scope. Now if you declare another function here and you want to use this here, then you need to use global keyword because this is a global variable and this is a local variable for this scope. For this particular scope, this is a global variable and this is a local variable. So this is a basic concept. Let me just show you with coding. Okay, so let's take a variable, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a function. Let's take I or anything. Now what I'm going to do is print where. Okay, it is fine. So as you can see here in Python, the scope is defined by this indentation. So for this is in a different scope and this is in a different scope. Now if you want to use var value in this, it will be a note, it will not be a problem. I'm gonna just call hi function and it is going to print 1. But what if you want to change this value inside this function? Let's see that. And in now what I'm going to do, var plus equal to 1. I'm just changing the value by 1, and we will see what will happen when we call this function. It is going to give an error because we tried to change this value which is outside of this scope, so you cannot change that. Okay, that is the first thing. Now the next thing is, how would you try to change this value? Or before that, let me just show you another thing. Like we did here, it printed 1. Okay, now let's take var equal to 2, and now if I run it and I call hi function, what do you think it is going to print? It is going to print 2 because we have 4 inside this scope also, so it will not recognize the global variable. So for this, what you can do is you can use a global keyword, global 4. So now if I run this, what it will do, because at first it was giving us an error when we did this. You can also change it like here, and because you are using global var, it will not give you an error and it will print 2. So let's just run this, and it is now printing 2 because it is not a big problem because we have given the global variable. Now it is taking care of the scope and you can modify that value. Now let's take another example. We will create nested function. So def outer, let's just take this, and in this I'm gonna set the value to 20, or let's do anything, that doesn't matter. And now I am going to create another function inside this function inner, and I'm gonna use global x, and I will provide x is equal to 20. Okay, now what I am going to do, print value before inner function is comma x. After I will call inner. Okay, and you can only call inner function from inside of this function because it is not available outside. Value before, value after. Okay, and now let's make another function here also. X is equal to, I'm gonna change this value to 5 and I'm gonna run this. Now what I will do, I will call this outer function, and you will see a surprising thing. Uh, you will see what will happen here. And as you can see here, the value before inner function is 10 and the value before outer function is also after inner function is also 10, because when you say this global, then it affects to the most global variable, which is this. So now if I will print x here, it should give me 20 x, and it is giving me 20. So this was the concept of global keyword. You must play around with it, and I hope that you understood the concept of global keyword, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.